Welcome to Travel Theory. Your next adventure starts right now. Today we're stepping into the storybook village of Hallstatt, Austria, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where pastel houses cling to misty mountainsides. Ancient salt mines whisper tales of white gold, and every sunrise over the Emerald Lake promises a new wonder to discover. Hallstatt's houses climb terraced up the hillside from the water's edge. The town's name even means salt place, a hint to its centuries-old industry. Archaeological finds show salt mining here from about 2000 BC onward. Over centuries, this resource fueled Hallstatt's prosperity, its wealth reflected in the fine alpine architecture that still lines the lake. By around 800 to 400 BC, Hallstatt gave its name to all of early Iron Age Europe. The famous Hallstatt culture, whose burial treasures were later unearthed nearby. In the narrow valley carved by glaciers, salt was literally the lifeblood of the village. Millennia of mining carved a network of tunnels under the mountains. Today, visitors can ride into the Hallstatt salt mine, reputed to be the oldest working salt mine in the world. Deep underground one still walks wooden corridors and slides down miners' chutes just as ancient miners did. Out of the darkness, a salt crystal, the white gold of the Alps, glints under tour lights. Emerging back into daylight, we remember Hallstatt sits where two cultures meet, natural wonder and human industry. A combination so rare that UNESCO inscribed the region as a World Heritage Site in 1997. In the village itself, Hallstatt appears frozen in time. The stone and wood houses in Market Square, all pastel shutters and flower boxes, seem untouched by modernity. Two church spires puncture the skyline. The slender 19th century evangelical steeple at the shore, and the older Catholic bell tower higher on the slope. This fairy tale image is no accident. As UNESCO notes, Hallstatt's wealth from salt is reflected in the fine architecture of the town. Every corner feels historic. Narrow lanes bordered by dark fir fences, a 16th century clock on the town hall, and the scent of alpine flowers on the breeze. Indeed, one guidebook says a walk here feels like stepping back in time. Hallstatt also harbors unexpected oddities. Just above the cemetery sits St. Michael's Chapel, famous for its quiet ossuary. Inside, more than 1,200 human skulls are on display, many elaborately painted and inscribed with names and dates. Villagers once relocated old bones here to free up grave plots, creating a vault that is as eerie as it is beautiful. Beneath the town, another relic survives. A wooden pipeline dug out 400 years ago. 13,000 hollowed tree trunks still carry brine through a tunnel from the salt spring, making Hallstatt's siphon arguably the world's oldest pipeline. These hidden details, painted skulls and tree log plumbing, remind us that Hallstatt's past lies just out of sight. High above Hallstatt, another perspective awaits. A sheer cliff hosts the Welterblick, or Skywalk, a jutting platform often called the World Heritage View. Far below, Hallstatt's spires and cottages press against the lake's edge like in a postcard, while the Alps march in layers out to the horizon. The UNESCO citation described the Hallstatt-Dachstein landscape as a visual drama. And from the Skywalk, that drama is undeniable. In autumn, the woods below turn flaming orange, and in winter, the village dons its snowy cloak, as we will soon witness. In autumn, Hallstatt is radiant. Golden larches and copper beech blaze on the slopes. Their reflection shimmers on the lake's surface. The village cottages, once hidden in green, now stand out against this blaze of color. Travelers say Hallstatt transforms into a green oasis in summer and then glows in vibrant gold and orange each fall. Here, every season feels like a painting. One might drift on the water by kayak under sunny blue skies, or wander an alpine trail with pumpkins and cider in hand, each moment framed by the town's pastel houses and the silent Alps. Nature paints Hallstatt differently with every turn of the year. When winter arrives, Hallstatt enters a storybook hush. Snow blankets the rooftops and docks. Clouds hang low on the mountainsides. Twilight arrives early, and the village glows from within with twinkling lights. It truly becomes a winter wonderland, with Christmas markets and cozy wooden huts, as described by travelers. Even the ferry remains in service, its dark hull cutting through the icy water. In these quiet scenes, Hallstatt's beauty is perhaps most peaceful, remote, silent, and extraordinary. Just a short walk from the heart of the village lies something easy to miss, yet unforgettable once seen. Badeinsel, a small man-made island that gently juts into the glassy waters of Hallstätter See, may be the quietest wonder of them all. No spires, no salt, no crowds. Just a single platform surrounded by alpine silence. Locals call it the best place to pause, where lake, mountain, and sky fold into one another like layers of a dream. Unlike the postcard-perfect shots from the market square or the drama of the Skywalk, Badeinsel is subtle, but that's what makes it special. It's the place where the cinematic becomes personal, a spot for quiet thoughts, still frames, and sunrises that feel made just for you. In a town carved by centuries of industry and fame, this little island offers something different: space, to breathe, to reflect, to simply be. In the end, the real Hallstatt remains as unique as ever. As dusk falls back on Austria, the warm light on the lake and the shadowed peaks remind us why this village is world famous. Every view, a church spire reflected in still water, or autumn leaves swirling around a fish sculpture in the shore, feels deeply cinematic. We have traced Hallstatt's story from a prehistoric salt mine to a UNESCO shrine, from color-soaked summers to snow-bright winters. Its secrets, painted skulls, wooden pipelines, enrich the tale. But for all its fame, Hallstatt simply cannot be duplicated. It is a place of real history and sublime scenery, a tiny town with a timeless, almost mythical soul. This is the payoff we promised. Hallstatt's legend isn't just in pictures. It lives here, in the crisp alpine air and the hearts of those who behold it. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Travel Theory for more stunning journeys around the world. Ready for your next escape? Watch the next episode. Your next destination is just one click away. Thank you for watching Travel Theory. Your next adventure starts right now.